Let's make a different cute style pen stand. Take cylindric shaped cardboard and glue it. Paste it like this as you can see in the video. Take yellow sheet, then black sheet, paste over it, draw it, and then take one cardboard, roll it as you can see in the video. Take one another sheet, make a giraffe face and paste over it. Let's make a stand and glue it the whole giraffe and paste over it as you can see in the video. It's almost done. Spread shot of glue on the giraffe's spotted place as you can see in the video. Yeah, like that. It's ready. Christmas tree pen stand. So making the Christmas tree pen stand, what you need, take a green paper sheet and draw a Christmas tree on it and cut it out like this. Put some colorful stuffs to make it look attractive. Take a cylindric shaped cardboard, cut it in middle as you can see in the video. Yeah, like that. Put eye, nose and draw a mouth. Insert the tree like that. It's ready. Butterfly pen stand. Wow! Let's make it. Take one sheet, fold it, cut it out in butterfly shape. Take cylindric shaped cardboard, roll it with one sheet, paste it on the butterfly wing, put its eyes, smiley face and put some colorful stuffs on its wing to look it attractive. It's done. Yellow paper sheet, roll it with one rolled cardboard, paste over it as you can see in the video, put its eyes, its hair, its eyebrow, mouth. You can make more like that. Take a cardboard, black sheet, yellow sheet, paste it and glue the rest pen stand and paste over it. It's ready. Wow! Disney pen stand. How to make it? Take one sheet, cut it out, one cylindric shaped cardboard, cut in middle, glue it, paste it like that. Take one sheet, put double tape over it and wrap it with one cylindric shaped cardboard. Draw it with pencil and cut it accordingly as you can see in the video like that. Stick it with all together. Take one sheet to draw a semicircle as you can see in the video, then cut it out. Take one another sheet, paste over it, cut it all together to make a roof of the building as you can see in the video. A cone-shaped top. Put it over the building like that. Take one small stick to make a flag of the building. Insert onto it. Take one other sheet to make its door and then cut it out. Another sheet to make its window and put it all over the building as you can see in the video. Take one other cardboard, paste over it one sheet and put all the building together as you can see in the video. It's ready. Giraffe. To make a cute giraffe, take one sheet to make its back, apply a double tape over it, stick it with one cardboard, roll it, paste it like this as you can see in the video, make its leg, yeah like that, make its mouth, apply its eyes, mouth and hair like this, cut it in between, its tail, apply over its back, ready. Wow! One cylindric cardboard, wrap it with white sheet, then wrap a black sheet over it, fold it like this, make a cute collar butterfly like that, apply over it as you can see in the video and it's done. Craziest pen stand. Take one green sheet, wrap it around with cardboard, make its eyes, its mouth, its antennae like that as you can see in the video, make its ear. Isn't it look like a frog? It seems. I don't know. Take one bottle, wrap it with red sheet, take another sheet with the given measurement, paste over it, another one sheet, fold it and paste it as you can see in the video. To make its wing, take small sheet, shape it and apply it. Aeroplane is ready. Wow!